again, look at this. They have so many rare colors. I really wonder where they're getting them from, because all of these are like store fresh, in perfect condition, literally as if you would buy them at Chanel. And I mean, you can't get those at Chanel, let's be honest, because like this is unicorn bags. Welcome back to my channel. So yeah, you guys know I'm not that inspired at the moment, but I thought, hey, to find some new inspiration I need to go out as well and look at bags. And you know, I thought what better idea than to go to the pre-loved shops. We haven't been there in a while. Maybe I find something that makes my heart sing again. Got my coffee here. And yeah, so you guys know I really want a Chanel Gabrielle in the size small. And I actually wanted to go traveling, you know, and have a nice little bag. I gifted my Nano Speedy, which was my little travel bag, to my mom, and now I need a new one. So I haven't found the perfect Gabrielle yet. You know, maybe we're gonna find one, and I really want to reissue one day, like a bigger size reissue. I only have a mini reissue, and I think my heart is really like set on the Lombard crystal bag as well. So yeah, maybe those bags are gonna give me some inspiration. You can see it's windy. I'm wearing like a jumper dress because autumn is coming. Autumn is my favorite time of the year, and I can't wait to wear jumper dresses all the time. Yeah, okay, let's go. Oh, and this is my bag of the day. I wanna show you something very important. Cheers. So I bought this bag, my Chanel Gabrielle backpack, in 2018, and to be honest, this is my most used bag. I have probably worn this for over 400 days. And I was thinking, you know what? This bag, just like the Chanel 22, which has so many issues right now, right? If you haven't seen my Chanel 22 saga yet, go and check it out. So this leather, obviously, I haven't cleaned it now or anything, is totally bent the entire time when you use this bag as well. It gets cinched in as well by this drawstring, right? I mean, at least here they put the metal hoops there, so it won't wear, the leather won't wear like the Chanel 22. But look at this. I was just recently looking at it. 400 days plus of use, and wherever the leather gets bent all the time, like there is nothing. The leather isn't peeling, the leather isn't cracking. This was still the quality from 2018, which obviously is not comparable to vintage bags either, but look at how much better the quality was than what we're seeing today. You know, I mean, I've worn my Chanel 22 like 5 times, and the leather is peeling wherever the leather is bent. Autumn time, and look at this. London is so beautiful. Does anyone else have a sweet tooth? Look at these. Okay, shall we have a look at BAGISTA first? Already, what I've been seeing in the window display is getting me really excited. There we have a little Capucini, and ooh, one of the mermaid vanity cases from Chanel. Rare Birkin, gorgeous flat bag. And there, people are standing there, so I can't really get closer, guys. But look at these flat bags and this gorgeous golden Birkin. Look at these cute dogs. Okay, guys, so let's have a look. Look at this gorgeous purple Chanel 19 bag. It looks like new. Like all the bags BAGISTA is buying, they are like store fresh, basically. Wow, this one is really new as well. This is gorgeous. It's a caviar leather, so very durable. The Chanel 22 backpack. Hello. So what I was just talking about in terms of my backpack, where the leather is cinched in, that's where you're gonna see it peel after a couple of wears. And you know, I mean, we talked enough about the Chanel 22, didn't we? This is entirely new as well, from the newest collection with the little hearts on the chain. Oh wow, okay, I am getting a little bit excited, so maybe it was a good decision that we're coming here. Lots of minis, and guys, this is such a mesmerizing purple color. Wow, I mean, you know, it's almost like my Chanel 22 bag. It's a little bit more iridescent, I would say. gorgeous. Chanel small flap bags in caviar, some wax. And guys, are you ready? Look at this. I really need to tell Grace, my sister-in-law, that they have so many little Evelyn. Is that PM? I think that's a PM size. And she's been looking for this bag for so long, and she can just pick whatever color. She wants a neutral color, but I mean, all of these except for that one would be a good choice. I'm gonna send her a picture in a second, I think. And oh wow, look at this, guys. This is a beige clear Chanel flat bag. Well, this is a jumbo. I'm just mesmerized. They are beautiful. Again, look at this. They have so many rare colors. I really wonder where they're getting them from, because all of these are like store fresh, in perfect condition, literally as if you would buy them at Chanel. And I mean, you can't get those at Chanel, let's be honest, because like this is unicorn bags, and the Chanel sales associates are gonna make your life living hell by trying to get one of these, because they really want to be Hermes and making everything, you know, way too hard to get. Wow, I love this. This is beautiful. And this as well in the green. Okay, I mean, this is life kind of, right? It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, a large Fendi peekaboo. How gorgeous is that? Okay, I jumped over the Bottega bags. There we have a gorgeous Kelly as well. Is that a raisin? I mean, that Epsom leather. I really don't like Epsom, unfortunately, but I love this color. Okay, let's have a look around. Ooh, a little Chanel denim bag. And that's what I mean, guys. All of these bags are so new. Like, you don't need to back your sales associate to give you a bag. Just come to BAGISTA or go on their website, you know, and you can pick whatever you want. Oh, this is one of the, what are they called? They basically have, you can wear them both sides. See, it's a flat bag on both sides. Jessie once had one of those in like a bigger size in black. Beautiful vintage. Caviar. They have survived like 20-30 years, guys, and they will survive more. And this is still the real gold-plated hardware. Gorgeous. Oh my god, here we have the same in caviar. Both sides. Absolutely stunning. YSL, more YSL, Gucci. Wow, okay, and this is a mini reissue. This is the size I have. I really want a larger reissue, especially with the prices that we're seeing at the moment. Like, they're approaching 10k. Well, 10k pounds. They've already reached like 10k euros, which is madness. So the Chanel flat bag and the maxi, well, the jumbo and the maxi, they are more expensive now than basically a Birkin or a Kelly in the boutique, which is madness. Crazy world we're living in. Wow, look at this so black chevron Chanel jumbo. I love it. Gorgeous. There's my little bag. I have this one. And to be honest, it's a really practical tote. I love mine. I use it quite a lot as well. And ooh, Denise, my other friend's looking for a lambskin flat bag. Et voila, here we have one. And actually the prices are pretty good. Oh look, even a lot of men's bags. Gorgeous. So I just had a chat with the owner of BAGISTA, and he said as well, first of all, guys, this is the 35 vintage box carve Kelly. This is unfortunately a bit too big for me. See, on my frame, I think I would prefer a Kelly 32 or 28, but no worries. How gorgeous, hi. How gorgeous is this? You know, box carve, one of my favorite leathers anyway. Yeah, and vintage, you can just totally style it down as well. Like, you don't need to be fancy. I mean, this is like a really cheap jumper dress, and you just wear Kelly. You could go to work like that, to be honest, right? So, love box carve leather, even though you would think it scratches really easily. I mean, this bag, look at it. It must be 30 years or something old, and there's nothing happening to it. I mean, this is like stains, you can just easily like wipe them off with leather foam, but gorgeous. Okay, so let's have a look. So what did I want to say? He said as well, BAGISTA, the owner of BAGISTA, when I had the chat with him, they were like known for pre-loved bags. Now they get so many new store fresh bags and people are just, you know, getting them as a gift and then just wanting to sell them, or they're getting them in the boutique, they're selling them here because they know they're getting a premium, because obviously that's the market, right? I don't know if this bag belongs to somebody, but look, with the beautiful trilly. And there we have the same one with silver hardware. Ooh, look at this one. That is a vibrant color, isn't it? Beautiful single flap jumbo, very rare. I recommend single flap jumbos. First of all, they're cheaper, guys, and secondly, they're not as heavy and you have a way more space than with a double flap. So, you know, that's always a good point. Look at this vibrant little boy bag as well. Nice and tweed. Wow. I love the boy bag. I don't know why it's getting less and less popular. I mean, my first ever Chanel bag was a boy bag. Oh, if this one wasn't the size small, I would just take it because I want a black one, you know, that I can travel with easily. A her bag. I want one, but I would only accept gold hardware. Oops, but most of them have silver hardware, obviously. And there we have another tote. I think that's it, I would say. Let's try some bags on. Hello, friends. £6,400, $3.99 for the So Black Chevron Chanel Jumbo. I mean, this is far below what the actual price of the Jumbo is right now. What is it, 9,000 something? 9,100 or so, which is madness, like I said. But do we like it? I always wanted a So Black bag. Garden party. I never knew if I like them or not. You can barely see that it's purple on my brown dress, but it is. So it looks quite brown on brown right now, right? But there you can see it. That's a beautiful little purple bag. And I mean, purple can be such a neutral, guys, you know, if you choose a purple like this. Still like this bag as well. What was it called? The Funky Town bag. They had it in like a purple as well. This is like the salmony color. It's nice too. I think it came like a white, beige and black. Yeah, let me know. Do you like this little one? I mean, this is a nice little pop of color, isn't it? Got to show you these Python Chanel. Obviously, they're not using exotic skins anymore, so it's really rare to find. We have this little wicker bag, and they have a tiny little heart bag. They had a big golden heart as well. It seems like it's sold already, and that went for like a big premium. Chanel 19. Do we think it's over? I mean, if you love it, you love it, obviously. You know my motto, like, you know, wear whatever bag, as long as it makes you happy and it works for your lifestyle. But what is the general consent? Do you think the Chanel 22, my hat, the Chanel 19 is, you know, being discontinued at some point, just like the Gabrielle now, being replaced by maybe the Chanel 25 in 3 years, like a new design? Or do you think it's gonna stick around? Is this the Chanel Trendy? I think so. I've never been really interested in this model, but I know that Steph, my good friend from handbag college, she really likes this bag. This is a nice, I think a perfect bag for every day as well. It's very neutral. You can wear it in summer, you can wear it in autumn, you can wear it in winter. Do we like it? So a quick reflection on what we've just seen. I love all the iridescent purple and green colors. However, of course, these bags are new, so obviously we shouldn't buy anything from Chanel that came out recently, because we know that, you know, the whole bonded leather thing and stuff. But like pre-loved bags, I think is the way to go. I really like the So Black Jumbo, but I've seen my perfect So Black Jumbo, which was like a crinkled patent leather and then So Black hardware. I think if I would ever see that one again, encounter it in real life, I would buy it. Yeah, let me know what was your favorite bag that we've just seen. Okay guys, so that was it. There will be a part 2 on Monday, probably next week for sure. We're gonna go and look around Harrods I'm here now. And we're also gonna go to some more pre-loved shops because you all have told me you really enjoy looking at the pre-loved stuff, and that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here because we all do have the same, oh, there it is, luxury disease. Yes we do, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye!